Okay, so you can see over there that the clouds have significantly darkened, and that is northeast of us. I see that this thunderstorm on the radar is passing through Frederick County, and yeah, it looks really, really bad. Like on the radar, there's like purple showing, which is pretty intense. Hi. I don't know, it looks like it's going to hit us, but also I'm kind of unsure because it could be moving more east, if anything. But the storm does look like it's getting bigger, actually. So we'll see. I don't know. So Frederick County actually has a tornado warning, and if you guys don't know, we've recently in like the Midwest near Tornado Valley, there's been like a tornado outbreak sequence basically. So there's been a lot of really big outbreaks of tornadoes, and so I live in Maryland, so I'm kind of exposing where I live, but there's been, actually we had a tornado warning last week, which is pretty uncommon for Maryland, and there was an actual tornado that touched down near where I live, which was kind of scary, but like we were kind of at the edge of the storm, or we were somewhere else, so we didn't really see much or anything. But just a couple miles away there was an EF1 tornado that hit, yeah, which was frightening. So Frederick County right now is under a tornado warning. Not sure if that means that there was an actual tornado spotted, or they're just seeing cloud circulation. I don't know. I sound like a real news person. So I'm currently in my car, just to get a closer look at the thunderstorm. My car's not on. I don't want to like leave it running when I'm not really using it, although it is really hot in here. It is like, I want to say 85 degrees outside right now. The highs today was supposed to be 90 degrees. So recently it's been really, really hot around this area, especially for like late May. I feel like this is unusually too warm. Yeah, so basically on the radar, there's like a bunch of like storms now. So there was this one storm, and where I live, actually most storms travel west to east, and then they go out to the ocean. So yeah, that's what usually happens. But sometimes there's like rare occasions where like storms travel from like south to north, you know. And then sometimes if you get a hurricane, you can get some like storms from the sea. But yeah, this storm is getting bigger actually. So originally I saw some storms east of us, a little bit northeast of us, and then now I'm seeing storms southeast of us, and it looks like it's just gonna collide and make like a big old line of storms, which is interesting. I'm hearing thunder. There's light drizzle now. That lighter gray there, I think that's gonna be rain. So once that dark cloud kind of gets over top of me, I think it's going to be raining pretty bad. We'll see. I've not seen any lightning yet. I've only heard thunder. And here it is, our severe thunderstorm warning. I see absolutely no lightning, which is kind of weird. I heard a little bit of thunder earlier, but it doesn't seem too bad actually. All right, so we just got this tornado warning. That's my brother right there. Some circulation around the area, so that means I'm gonna go right outside. All right, so I actually.
Wait, this might be the eye. Actually, look.
My brother thought that
It might be the eye because it's all like circled.
Well, my brother.
It's like a wall.
Yeah, I know.
It's probably the eye. That's why there's a break in the radar.
We thought that the storm was over, but clearly it's not. There's another shelf cloud over there, or I don't know if that's a shelf cloud or not. It's definitely not the eye. That's only in hurricanes.
And a normal storm.
No, that's not true.
They can see.
You know that's not true.
Right in here, and I'm going to draw it out like this. So first, let me take you over the next just 10 minutes. I want to get it really hyper-localized for you, and I'm going to zoom on down. And I'm
okay, tornado warnings move by really, really quick, so I guess this is the track.
Some timing on it for you one more time. Take this right.
So what the news just said is that there is another tornado warning for Columbia, area. So, of course, it's gonna nip us a little bit, but it's mainly going northeast, or I mean, it's northeast of us, and it's just gonna probably stay towards that way. Yeah, but apparently this is a very dangerous system going in. Lots of lightning, lots of wind, lots of thunder. So, yeah, that's kind of weird that it was like a double storm we just got hit, and the other storm is already moving. I don't even know where it is. I think it was more down south, if anything. But yeah, this storm right here is going to be a dangerous one, and we're only going to get a little bit of it. All right, so I have to be outside during this. I don't recommend this, but wow. So apparently the really severe thunderstorm is actually about to hit us. And that first one was a smaller system that actually moved on that way. But this storm here, oh gosh, it's supposed to be really, really bad. Wow, okay. So, yeah, it looks like, oh crap, it's gonna start raining again. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. Okay, you can't see really anything, but it's super dark outside right now. Yeah, we're gonna be in a tornado warning any minute now. And it's gonna be bad. I don't know, should I go in my car or should I stay out here? It's about to like pour, I believe. Oh yeah, so once that cloud gets over top of me, I think it's gonna be done for me. Like, it's gonna be pouring. Let's see. I wish I had a better camera, but I don't. Yeah, it's getting windy. See how fast that cloud is moving? Wow. Over here. Yeah, it looks like ominous. That looks like a hand like moving through. Oh boy, you can see the rain over there. It's about to be bad. I wish I could show you better, but it is pouring now. Oh boy. Wow. It is very windy actually. This is probably one of the windiest storms I've seen this year so far. Oh boy, okay.
This year, it definitely is.
Yeah, this is pretty bad.
Last year, there was one that was like 99 miles an hour.
I don't
Except it wasn't
know
raining.
about
No,
that.
it was a windstorm. It wasn't raining.
Okay. Okay, so just kind of want to give an overview of this thunderstorm system that went by. So there was a bunch of like, it was like a line of thunderstorms, and they were kind of just like popping up like over this like area, over kind of like this horizontal line. And so we had a miniature one at first, which I thought was the one that was producing the tornado warning, which we ended up getting. But actually, that one passed by really quickly, and then there was another set of like really dark clouds following right behind that storm system. And that was the one that was producing the tornado warning. The tornado warning ended up going away, so we're not really sure if they spotted an actual tornado or just like tornado circulation or frontal cloud circulation or anything. Or just, yeah. The difference between a tornado watch and a tornado warning, a tornado watch are like, the conditions are perfect for a tornado, but that doesn't mean that a tornado has been seen or there's cloud circulation. The tornado warning is when they spot cloud circulation or a tornado has touched down. So tornado warnings are a lot dangerous and you shouldn't be outside, so don't do what I did. But yeah, I mean, this is a pretty interesting storm.